Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're going to be looking at adding fractions with unlike denominators. Our objectives are 1. Identify the numerator and the denominator in a fraction. Add fractions with unlike denominators. Determine the lowest common multiple, the LCM. Convert between proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed numbers. And then write these fractions in its lowest terms. Our first example is 1 over 5 plus 5 over 6. Let's first identify the denominator and the numerator. So 5 over 6, the top number is known as the numerator and the bottom number is known as the denominator. What we do now is we find the LCM, a number that 5 and 6 can go into without a remainder. So we have to find the LCM. In this case, what we can do is multiply 5 by 6, and that is going to give us 30. Now there's a method of working out the LCM, and you would have seen this in one of my previous videos where you would divide 5 and 6 only by prime numbers. So let's list the first 5 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So we're going to use the first prime number 2. Now when we divide, we should not get a remainder. So we're going to write back 5, but 2 into 6 is 3. Our next prime number to use will be 3. 3, we're going to write back our 5 because we're going to get a remainder if we divide 5 into 3. 3 into 3 is 1. And can you guess the third prime number to use? 5. 5 into 5 is 1. We're going to bring down the other 1. So the LCM would be the numbers on the outside. The prime numbers we use: 2 times 3 times 5. That would be 6 times 5. That is 30. So the LCM is 30. Now we're going to say 5 into 30 is 6. We're going to multiply that 6 by the numerator, which is going to give us 6. Back our plus sign. 6 into 30 is 5. We're going to multiply that 5 by the numerator, which is 25. 6 plus 25 is 31 over 30. Now this is an example, this fraction, of an improper fraction. Top heavy, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we're gonna cancel it to its lowest terms. So how do we do that? Is to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. And we do that by saying 30, I'm gonna do it over here, into 31 is 1, remainder 1. So we're gonna get a whole, and the remainder will be 1 over 30. Example 2. We're adding 2 and 3 over 4 plus a third. So we're adding a mixed number and a proper fraction. Now let us again look at our denominator and numerator. In this case, if we use the mixed number, 2 and 3 over 4, the 2 is the whole number. So we have 2 wholes, and 3 will be the numerator, the fractional part, and 4 is our denominator. So we have to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction first. So we do that by saying the whole number, the whole part of the mixed number, times the denominator plus 3. And let me just change my color. That is going to give me 2 times 4 is 8. We're going to add 3. 11 over 4 plus a third. Then we have to find the LCM. Again, we can multiply 4 by 3. That's going to give us 12. We're going to use our method from before. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Divide 3 and 4. So we're going to use 2 first. First prime number 2. We're going to write back our 3. 2 into 4 is 2. We're going to use 2 again. We're going to write back our 3. 2 into 2 is 1. So you guess our next prime number? 3. That's going to give us our 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 3, and that is 12. And now we're going to follow our method. 4 into 12 is 3. We're going to multiply that here. 3 into 12 is 4. We're going to multiply that there. So 11 times 3, 33, plus 4 ones are 4. We're going to get 37 over 12. So again, this is an example of a improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we have to convert this now to a mixed number. So 12 into 37, 12 threes are 36, remainder 1. So I'm going to get 3 whole and 1 over 12, and that's the answer. Example 3, 1 and 3 over 4. Plus 1, 2 and 1/8. So we're going to convert. I'm going to use a different color here. I'm going to convert the mixed numbers. So again, remember we multiply the whole by the denominator plus the numerator. Same here, plus the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 over 4 plus 8 2 is 16, and 1 is 17 over 8. We want to find the LCM. We don't have to multiply here. We have to look for a number that 4 and 8 can go into without a remainder. And we know that that would be 8. If we want to check over here to make sure using our method, again, we'll list our prime numbers, first 5 prime numbers. We're going to write 4 and 8. I'm going to start with 2. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 8 is 4. I'm going to use 2 again, 1 and 2. 2 again, I'm going to bring down the 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We know that is 8. We have 8. So 4 into 8 is 2. That is 14 plus 8 into 8 is 1. I'm going to multiply that here by the numerator. I'm going to get 17. That's going to give us 14 plus 17. We can do our working over here. 7 and 4, 11, 1, 2. Crossed off the 1. 1 and 1 is 2, plus the 1 from before will give us 3. So we'll get 31 over 8. Again, we have an improper fraction. the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we have to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. So we're going to divide 8 into 31. You know, 8 3 to 24, 8 4 to 32. So we'll have to go with 3. Remainder 7. So we're going to get 3 whole and 7 over 8. And that's our answer. I'm Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Stay tuned for more.